Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are well and I'm fine by the grace of Allah. So I came for making video of garlic, and you can see this is marketplace of garlic, and this market name is Noy Bazar in Gurudashpur, Natur. So already I asked many people and many farmer. He said high price 2,600 or 2,800 high price, and low price just 1,500 or 1,300 40 kg or 40 kg price is high 2,600. So please, if you like this video, subscribe, share and comments. So you can see this is a long market, but there is no many people at the time because in the morning time, so there is no people many. So by Allah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.